Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. We have a 2011 Ford Flex, and in 9 years we have put 240,000 miles on it. To say we use this thing all the time and are rough on it is an understatement. So to have a nice set of floor mats is so nice. These are by WeatherTech, and they are such great quality. It comes as a 4-pack, so you have one piece that goes all the way across the back row, one piece that goes all the way across the middle row, and then one for the passenger and the driver's seat. You can really see how great these are made, and they're really deep, so they cover everything and they keep all of the dirt inside of the floor mat. This is the very back row, and as you can tell, it goes up the sides and it even goes underneath the seats, so it has really great coverage. This is the middle row, and I love that it covers over the hump, and since it goes up the side, like I said, it keeps all the dirt on the floor mat, so they're really easy to just take out and clean and put back in. They fit in all of the grooves really good. This is the passenger side. And on the driver's side, there's these two little bumps that come on the car, and these have matching bumps to snap on so that the floor mats stay perfectly in place while you're driving. Whether you have a new car and you want to get new floor mats to preserve it, or you're like us and you have a really old car and you need to give it a little bit more life, these floor mats by WeatherTech are, mwah, you need them. And that's my point of view.